I vex over it. Not even one the pardon, sister. Not even pardon.
She don't pay you for the pumpkin.
Not even pardon. Gentle young man been there. You vex him, vex over it. Vex. As an old woman like me. She robbed me.
Yes.
Me no want food.
Yes.
And me no want clothes.
Yes.
Me no want Jesus. Young girl married. After my challenges, when the lad said me stop, me stop.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am in Westmoreland. So I'm somewhere in Belmont Westmoreland where I am going to interview Grandma because Grandma is a 94-year-old farmer and she still farms. And she has her beautiful farm where she plants her potato, peas, cassava, pumpkin, and all other crops that you can think of. So what I want you to do is to tune in so that we can have a discussion with her.
Come and chat with Tania.
This is from up the lago tree.
Yes.
And go back round there, so belongs to me.
Oh, and you do all this planting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
First name is Mary Robinson. Well, my married name Scott. When the pumpkin them start, get some pumpkin up and come right out here, so. And my girl lady, that is, and my dear lady. And get one barrel full is pumpkin.
Yes.
Wheelbarrow.
Wow.
And I want about to pour in one bag. And me tell you, say, I vex over it. Not even one the pardon, sister. Not even pardon.
She don't pay you for the pumpkin.
Not even pardon.
Take everything and sell it and don't give her no money.
But I leave it to God.
Yes.
I see the shop lock up now. The shop lock.
Yes.
And one gentleman up there, them, you vex over it. Vex. As an old woman like me. She robbed me. But God, you see what God do? You see what God do? Nobody, the shop lock. I'm still a plant.
Yes.
And gentlemen that cannot manage it, well, you get somebody to look after it for him. And sister, me can no work, no bash them, me can no work, you know. But you
Yes.
just don't love to do.
So how long now since you have been farming?
Not a few years now, man.
Long
For the entire, so it would have been almost the 95, 94 now.
But me did have a place up Pandy way there, but me leave.
So maybe over 80 odd years. Mm-hmm.
So, me still strong. I'm strong in
That's
God.
what you tell you. About she's 94 now. So call it about 60 years then.
60 year.
Yeah. Call it about 60 years she have farm. Well, them
60.
time they know she used to do like days work.
Oh, okay.
She
Okay.
used to do like days work also.
Wash,
Okay.
wash and do everything. God do everything for me. I don't depend on my children for nothing.
Yes.
When you put the other there, you are here, get a swam, get a kid, sit here to pack a goat. And when me ready, this year, ma to this son, bring a big pack, pumpkin key, bring a big pack. Me
Yes.
no want food,
Yes.
and me no want clothes. Me
Yes.
no want Jesus. And we had Jesus to have everything.
That is true.
But the first year, me go to first year, me go down, I've been up on him, hilltop. And then baptized him up here. Well, everyone I remember them died, everybody remember them dead and live. Only me and my
Oh, she and the next lady alone live right now.
burn it. But him deaf like that.
Okay.
Deaf. So me say, alright. So me say, me I live. So when the Lord is ready for him take me.
Yes.
For when you live in Christ, it's all the better for you. But when you farm, you know, this and that, me live, I must compulsory. I when me go down the road, when my own, after this man, me up and say, you don't get young girl married. So when me go, but I just hear them, young girl, so no come now, young girl, no come, chairman. Up the one girl, man over there. Then they come. Young girl, you look at me old man. No man. No man.
Still young and active and so on.
Right.
How many children do you have?
Have a holy, but then can't count. Holy.
Well, she have chief year first husband, and she have 7th year second husband.
Okay.
Lionel.
Lionel Perlin and Jeffrey. Them the your first husband.
Yeah.
Let us get it. And for my father now, I have 7.
But one got
The second one died in 2011. So in all you have 9 children alive.
Okay.
and then I don't make you want to.
Yes, independent.
Yes.
Right now,
Independent.
up to this morning, and I contact me next week, I put stuff next.
No time me borrow from her. Yes, she borrow from.
And I don't pest none of them. Sarah, me no pest, me no catch none of them for nothing.
She love plant her, she loves our farming.
And me rank, me pick up and me face you to me and all lady.
Yes.
And I don't go shop, but trust, if me trust today, and me never get it, me try pay. If nobody rank people for me, trace them.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
on me. But anything else, cut, and me one cut, you know. Me one cut. Go right up.
You good, yeah, man?
Well, two, can I compare them, but two, not the weather. Rain.
So how your experience so far as a farmer? Is it challenging? What is the experience? What are some of the challenges that you
Well, my
experience?
challenge is no. Me only want to have something to check come up, come eat. And when I come up, come eat now, I may rest. I yesterday, brother, me get me it come up late, but me don't have good peace from
As long as the belly full.
Yes.
Me, right, I mean, I just have water, but I'm not need water from here.
Yes.
Get me back the water, me back my camera. So, me camera, me sit down. I me take, put an address. I'm working dress come up here. I me take off. After my challenge is, when the lad say me stop, me stop.
Okay.
As long as you not ready for you, straight along.
So you're feeling any pain now?
Right, yes, man, right now the back right in here, so come on, na the hip, come na the foot. So me tell you foot say, me tell you pain say.
Yes.
And when me check, me I stretch out off because me stop work.
Okay.
When me I check, me stop because me, I went, sitting a little to tell me that, me haunted.
Mm-hmm. All right. So what can you tell me about Marie?
Well, I know the Lord bless her and give her health and
They give me
strength.
the health and
Because
strength.
sometimes, you know, she don't get no drive to come. Sometimes she get drive come and sometimes she don't. And sometimes she have to walk come up and sometimes she have to walk go down.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, to so far, more than a mile.
Well,
It is more than a mile.
I think I love it.
And we're glad for her, you know. We know she can do still do farming. I know a lot of young people don't want to do it.
Last week,
But when she plant, they don't want to come in and reap.
Yes.
last
Yes.
week, a pam came in guys.
Mm-hmm.
And two time now, when one of them bike man came in, you laugh at me.
So you ride on the bike?
Yes, man, but before you man tired, come the one.
When I get what you say a while ago?
Before you man from the one top.
You hold on tight on the bike.
Yes, man.
And then him drop you all the way home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
The first, no, in pam no live down the side agenda. Can go right on me yard.
Yeah, the taxi guy.
Yes.
Okay.
So
But the
no,
bike man, now we leave her right down at Keith Father down there, so
Yes.
she walk it home.
no. The first last week he dropped me right down but my boy the whole
Good on.
Andrew, in dropped me down Andrew.
Okay, then I return after. So.
And
Okay.
last week, now we done what the other one, we see him down a bottom letter. And then came to go right down bottom said, charming danger.
Yeah?
And me walking down.
Okay. Okay. So when you're walking it, how long it take you to reach home?
I met me one time.
It take you a good.
Yes.
So maybe about a half an hour
Yes.
to an
But
hour or
when me
so.
come, only yes, Friday, I make come up late. Thanks.
And she walk for some time, you know.
Eh.
Hey! She walk fast, man.
You see when me
Oh,
have me, you see when me have me
When she
ticket.
have, you see when she have the stick. Yeah, man, she took the drum and walk fast.
oh, but when you not have the stick now, it take you a longer while to reach where you're going.
He didn't know, didn't he, also?
Yes.
Not the giant commander, also. So me tell the and say, me I beg
Let
him.
me see the knee again.
I swear, what them, but this is one hit word.
Oh, the one you're swell up.
Yes. Under yourself, sometimes under the leg.
But when you do the work, do it help you to feel better?
Me have to bear with you, no, man.
Mm-hmm.
That pain me.
You know, really better, but you know, she just no faith, no mind.
But you see, me go to the doctor. Then me am praying for the doctor and the doctor. And me say, excuse me, doctor. Me say, where me live is 2 miles. What? Me say, Miss Cat, that is a good exercise for you.
Oh, so we help you.
And we go back to town again. We had a doctor tell me the same thing. He said, if you no stop her, you're going to have it hard with her. So no, love she alone and make she go on.
And do your farming.
Anytime she cannot manage. But so long you're not going to stop her. Telling you sometimes, Lynn cry for me, no sister. Cry for me, say, me torment. Sometimes not pay no mind.
Alright, so what you love about the farming?
Well, sister, that's the truth. When me see something coming out, me glad.
When it bear and you
Right out there, so now, see
mm-hmm.
the cat about them, the posture, remember the posture. The cat about it here.
Yeah. So when it bear now and you're selling it?
Well, right now, me have to go for white house, go to Bada go get here for it right now.
Oh, okay.
Right now, cassava long for up on that tree, then
yes.
them they long. But me say me have to go for Bada go get, me can't get scared.
Oh, them there? The cassava them there?
Yeah, man, you could take out one and make it.
Yes, yes. So this is what you have here on the ground.
Well,
Sweet potato.
sweet potato.
Oh, long man.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's very small to amount your underneath. Yes, got to a big one here. This one. Yeah, big one.
Yeah, the one that fat.
This and make money.
Let's go cut up them sit down and them pat up the sun already.
Hi.
Cut up the crop.
Oh, the one there, big man.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you make money.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you know, for the guitar.
Yeah, go me start here already.
Yeah. How long?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So you get some big cassava, grandma?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if farming what she didn't have done about time there, you know.
Yeah.
Me did come up here and help her with some cassava, man. I tell you,
Yes.
you get some breed of cassava. You know, wow.
And the fluffy.
You love me, farming, no, to mommy,
Marion, You cut this with the people come by.
Yeah, she need a sharper one.
Ada bang masuk ke dalam pot nak siapa warna ngaya.
Ada si use a weed bush.
Yes.
Okay.
But the other one dapat dapat tahu tu nak cakap. You know the banana.
Wow. Mm-hmm. You have a fat root, Grandma?
Yes.
You small the stick is.
Yes.
She beat them up small. That's how they grow tall.
Okay.
Yeah, man, she cut them up very small and plant them back.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So these stick you're chopping now, they can be replanted.
Yeah, man, that's what that's how she plant them.
Mm-hmm.
And then they grow big tree and bear. Yeah, man. Oh, boy. The man that used to that's them. Right.
Yeah. Ooh, that is huge.
I'm bigger good underneath it still.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So this is some of your fruits of your labor.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, just like this now.
Mm-hmm.
She peel them, wash them, and grate them. After she do that now, you have a piece of broad material, put it into it, wring them dry,
Mm-hmm.
and then she put it into a basin or whatever and put them down to air out. And then she beat them into a thing near mortar. Yeah, and after she beat it, now she stiff it. After she stiff it, use it and put back the starch in it. Because when you wring it, you're gonna get some water from it, which is the milk.
Yes.
And the milk settle and leave the water on top and the starch under the bottom. So after that, she throw off the water. Then she put back the starch into the bummy. That's the thing you call it, make it gummy.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one that make it gummy. So she put it back in and bake it. Yes. Then she have a lovely meal of bummy.
Okay.
Man.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye. I love you. Many thanks, many thanks, many thanks for interview in the farming. Thank you very much.
Alright. So guys, wasn't it interesting?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes, of
It was
course.
very interesting. She
Yes.
plants, she reaps, she does everything. 94, still independent. And she does not depend on a soul. In the meantime, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave your comments below. Leave the comments below, guys. I read all your comments. I read all the comments, right? And thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Bye bye.
Alright.
Mommy, is it here?
Let me put your panny so you come to. Yeah, show me now. All right.